Today I preached about how faith and works must always work together. James 2:17 famously says, "So faith by itself, if it has no works, is dead." This is the integration of what's inside, thoughts and faith, with the outside, actions. And how many of the problems that we have are when faith and action aren't integrated. We are happy to offer our thoughts and prayers and then stand back and take no actions. I spoke about how Buddhism addresses this with the Eightfold Path: right view and right intention, internal; right speech, right action and right living, external; right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration are the integration of these. That we need to integrate our internal rightness with our external rightness, and that who we are inside is revealed by what we do. People say lots of things about the Bible that aren't really there.